इसमें तो आवाज आ रही है सुड़ सुड़ की। फटेगा तो नहीं?
क्या किया? और
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, I swear. No, this is 60, this is 30.
ओह मैंने ये 2 बार डाल दिया, कोई बात
I can't add that. 120 ml she's added. She is getting me sloshed. भैया कल ही मैं एक इंटरव्यू पे थी, वहाँ जर्नलिस्ट से लड़ाई हो गई मेरी। इतनी मैं बता दी। I can spot a filler face and Botox face from far away.
मैंने करा है।
No, I hate it when guys इतने निक्कर पहन के उनकी बाहर निकल आते हैं। I'm sorry, but yeah, your cameraman is like reacting.
ये ऐसे पोस्ट करता है अपनी जिम वाली।
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. Oh my God. I want to unfollow my sisters. जब भी खाना आता है पिक्चर लेना, मैं खाने दो यार।
From mobile phones to noodles, garbage bags to razor blades, ऐसा कोई आइटम नहीं जिसे इन्होंने कपड़े ना बनाए हों। She can literally turn anything into a fashion statement, and that alone has been her claim to fame. So much so that today she has a show to herself on an OTT platform. आप इनकी तारीफ करो या इन्हें ट्रोल करो, इन्हें लव करो या हेट करो, but one thing is for sure, you cannot ignore her. So today on Sundowners at Chipuku, I'm going to be enjoying drinks and dim sums with the unstoppable Urfi Javed. Hi Urfi.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm amazing. You look amazing.
You look amazing too. Paps का है?
आज मैं थोड़ा उर्फी आउटफिट में नहीं हूँ ना, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है।
आज तो मतलब ओ बनी पार्वती। What
कुछ
happened?
डिफरेंट कर्ली टेल्स के लिए।
आज मुझे इतना स्ट्रेस था कि मैं क्या पहनूं। I've changed like 4 outfits before deciding on this
You
one.
look amazing in black.
Thank
Suits
you.
you so well.
Thank you so much. चलो अंदर, lots
चलो,
to
चलो।
catch up on.
Oh, our cocktail is already ready.
नहीं,
This is a mocktail.
अरे उर्फी है यहाँ पे, no
Yeah,
mocktail.
exactly.
Only
Yeah,
cocktails.
I don't drink mocktails.
आज हम एक दूसरे के लिए बारटेंडर्स बने हैं, तो आप मेरे लिए क्या ड्रिंक बनाने वाले हो?
This is passion fruit lime drink.
Okay.
Without alcohol because she doesn't drink. Okay.
Okay. And Urfi likes gin and she likes lychee. तो मैं पहली बार ट्राई करने वाली हूँ lychee based gin drink. Let's see what we
Okay.
create. Okay?
I think इसमें आइस डालना है पहले.
मेरे इसमें पहले lychee डालना है.
Okay. मुझे पता नहीं क्या करना था, but ठीक है.
Oh.
Oh shit, sorry. पानी नहीं डालना है क्या? I mean, तो
मुझे
फिर
इसमें अभी इसको मडल करना है.
I think this is lime juice. And this is orange juice.
कभी कुकिंग
Honey-
की है? Oh sorry.
Yeah, cooking I do. Cooking I do.
अच्छा.
Honey water. Cooking अच्छी लगती है मुझे.
पर ये ड्रिंक कभी बनाया है?
नहीं यार, वो घर पे मिक्सर ऐसे ही आते हैं ना, वो खरीदे हुए, तो जिन उसमें डाल ली.
हाँ, ज़्यादा
वैसे.
मेहनत वाला काम
नहीं नहीं यार,
तो
इतना
ये तो
थोड़ी.
बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत होगी.
This is
आज.
too much.
कोई
I
बात
think we have to put passion. I don't know if we have to or if we don't have. Fuck it.
Please listen, I'm going to drink. अच्छा ड्रिंक बनाओ. please.
I'm
इसको
trying.
मतलब पूरा ऐसे ही. इसको कुछ तो करना होगा. मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ.
I'm trying. Okay, you know what? I'm adding some of my tadka. I'm adding some of this.
Yeah, you should add some desi tadka today.
Yeah,
Given,
yeah.
Like how desi you
I
are.
have no idea what this is, but then you taste it and tell me what flavor was it.
ये क्या है?
Let's keep it a secret. I would like that. I think I'm going to add 2-3 things. Let's see how it tastes. Let's see.
अगर मैंने ड्रिंक खत्म कर ली,
Then it's nice.
ठीक है. Then it's nice.
Then you'll hire me as a.
As a bartender here.
Done.
This drink is going to be added to our menu, guys.
Yes.
It's going to be called Urfi Special. आगे देखते हैं क्या
Urfication.
Urfication.
You will love it. I'm very sure.
Okay.
अभी इसको हमें वो करना है.
मैंने अब मैं और थोड़ा लीची जूस. मैंने इतना सारा लीची डाला है.
Is it?
ये फेवरेट पार्ट होता है ना.
मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं.
मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
I think it's very difficult, yeah. How do these people do
Let
it?
me try this. Okay, you have to turn it. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Am I right? Oh, ice नहीं डाला मैंने.
Oh,
You want
गर्म.
ice, right? रुको.
थोड़ा सा, ज्यादा नहीं. But I'm okay. अरे इसको तो इतना निकले, अब निकलेगा कैसे ये? इसमें तो आवाज आ रही है सुड़ सुड़ की. Is it going to burst or what?
What?
See no, you can hear something. गैस की आवाज आ रही है. फटेगा तो नहीं?
क्या किया? और
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I swear.
you are using a dupatta for this.
It's
क्या
not
हुआ?
happening.
एक मिनट रुको. ऐसे करते हैं.
Oh,
पहले. हाँ.
okay. Oh, sorry.
And then Let's try.
See?
अच्छा ऐसे? हाँ, अब निकलेगा.
Oh, sorry. I thought it फटा. बच गए.
सब ठीक है, सब खैरियत है.
Smells amazing. I think it's
मैंने
smelling
सब
good.
डाला, मैंने जिन डाला ही नहीं, जो उर्फी
अरे
को
फिर तो
चाहिए.
ये तो कंजूसी हो रही है यहाँ पे.
नहीं.
मुझे नहीं पीना. I'm okay with 30 also.
No, yeah, you need a 60.
Okay, oh my
We need a
god.
60. We need raw, unfiltered urfi,
वो तो
just
ऐसी
like
बात
her
होती है.
show.
ऐसे ही शायद छानते हैं, I don't know. मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ी और 2-3 चीजें डालनी चाहिए. I don't know, I feel like it's not complete. Maybe 2-3 more.
ये थोड़ा और डाल दो.
कुछ करी पत्ता. Tonic water.
क्या?
Yes, I want to add tonic water. मिर्ची डाल सकते हैं? Do you have like I want to make it like sweet and spicy.
ये 2 बार मतलब 60 होता है ना, ये 1 बार 30 है ना.
Yeah, no, this is 60, this is 30.
ओह, मैंने ये 2 बार डाल
Oh
दिया.
my,
कोई बात
I can't have that. She is getting me sloshed.
Okay, wait.
Okay, I think I'll take some mirchi.
Okay, wait, थोड़ा swag.
Okay, so
Oh
mint
my
we
God.
have.
This drink looks really good.
Good, it will get me good only. 120 ml she's added. 120.
What do we call it?
Just we call it gin. And with the drop of lychee because you've added 120 ml of gin. It is just gin.
With a drop of lychee.
Okay, I'm adding some chili also by the way.
क्या मिर्ची?
Yeah, you
में?
just trust me. And I'm also adding some tonic water.
Listen, वो ग्लास का साइज देख रहे हो आप, क्या क्या डाल रहे हो उसमें?
अरे सब चलेगा. You just see now. Okay, now अभी ऐसे ही mix हो गया. Oh, my drink is
ये
ready.
तो चला जाएगा.
Oh wow, perfect.
Wow,
I think-
actually my drink looks really nice. देखो मैं आपकी गार्निशिंग के लिए थोड़ी और लीची डाल रही हूँ.
मैं गार्निश के लिए मिर्ची डाल रही हूँ. I think that look amazing. कैसे डालें?
कैसे?
नहीं, just like this. This is amazing.
मुझे भी कुछ ऐसा कलरफुल दो ना.
You have added a lot of colors. You will see my colors after this drink.
All your true
तुमने
colors.
हाँ, you have added every color that could have been possible. I will see colors after this.
I feel like I could have added more of gin.
Are you serious right now?
No, I really think so.
I think एक काम करते हैं. You just give me the bottle directly. Why are we doing this? लीची उसमें एक बूंद लीची डाल के क्या करना है? You just give me the bottle. I'll drink it. It's not that bad. It's actually, oh my god, it's amazing.
It's nice. ये drink भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Really, can I
आपने
taste
पता
it?
नहीं कितनी सारी चीजें डाली.
You can't
इसमें.
taste mine, but I can taste yours.
Yeah. Very good drink,
When are
isn't
you
it?
hiring me? This is amazing.
Your charges are too high. I don't think we can afford you.
No. I'll do some discount for you. But
this is amazing. और ये जो मिर्ची डाली है ना आपने.
थोड़ा वो जो taste आ रहा है ना.
Amazing,
I think
I
you
love
should
it.
have this drink on your menu.
So this is called what? Urfication? What do we call it?
Follow कर लो यार.
फॉलो कर लो यार.
बस
चलो
follow
इस
कर लो यार.
ड्रिंक का नाम है Whenever you come to Shifuku, फॉलो कर लो यार, आपको मिलेगी. बहुत ही अच्छी बनाई है. ये मॉकटेल है, पर इसमें कौन सा अल्कोहल अच्छा लगेगा इसके साथ? What do you think?
I think vodka and gin they go with anything. So
Yeah.
if you want to add gin, I would love it. It's actually good.
It's really good.
I've added-
और मेरी ड्रिंक, अपनी ड्रिंक की तारीफ किए जा रहे हो.
नहीं,
मेरी
okay,
ड्रिंक के
yeah,
बारे में
yeah.
बताओ.
जितना मुझे लग रहा था कि बहुत जिन का टेस्ट आएगा ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
नहीं है ना?
It's too good.
Good.
I love it.
ठीक है,
बिल्कुल,
चलो.
it's not tasting with for some reason I don't know what
I
did you
told
do.
I have put a lot of lychee, which is why I
No,
felt
but
like I
why-
should add more of gin.
Why can't I taste gin?
शायद कम डाल दिया मैंने.
120 ml is a lot, but I can't. You are a magician.
थैंक यू. तो शो में मैंने देखा आप बहुत सारा जीरा वाला पानी पी रहे थे.
Yeah.
पता नहीं क्या, वो एक बड़ा सा जग था. तो what is it that you keep
So
drinking?
I drink not जीरा, सौंफ और केसर का पानी,
अच्छा.
collagen water
हाँ.
and coconut water में chia seeds डाल के. And then also मेरा एक ड्रिंक में पीती हूँ सुबह, पालक, आंवला, पाइनएप्पल और क्या क्या पता नहीं मेरी.
Well, it takes a lot to be Urfi. काफी कुछ करना पड़ता है.
It's a lot, but
It's a lot.
I don't have acquired the taste for these things now.
No, so but
I
how
like
does these have like some health benefits? सौंफ और जीरे वाला पानी.
यार
Chia
मुंह
seeds
से
with
बदबू नहीं
coconut.
आती है.
Really? Is that why?
So no, if I'm talking to someone, so
Yeah.
I don't want them. अभी कुछ खराब भी खा लिया आपने,
हाँ.
fish खा ली, chicken खा लिया. But if you're constantly having soft का पानी ना, so your mouth will never stink. You'll never smell. So that is one
Okay.
hack. बाकी coconut water is hydrating. Collagen is important. and
Collagen is basically anti-aging.
हाँ,
Or is
yeah,
it?
it's
Right?
anti-aging. So I can't stop drinking this. Can I mix the two?
Yeah, please, let's
What do
try.
you think if we add? Okay,
चलो try करके बताओ आप.
this is crazy what we're doing, but
I think it'll taste even better now. Even
amazing. I wish I could make you taste it. It's so good. Adding this, oh my
better. और साथ
god.
में what kind of chakna do you like when you are drinking?
When I'm drinking, more than chakna, I want good food. मतलब वो थोड़ा थोड़ा जैसे फ्रेंच फ्राइज हो गए
हाँ.
या फ्लैट ब्रेड हो गई, मतलब डिपेंडिंग ऑन द काइंड ऑफ फूड दैट आई एम हैविंग.
Yeah.
अगर इंडियन है तो चिकन टिक्का, अपना पनीर टिक्का, बट आई want to have something. And if you're at a Chinese restaurant, then dim sums बंद नहीं होने चाहिए, लाते रहो.
चलो वेरी गुड. वी आर एट शिफुकू. बहुत सारे डिमसम्स आते रहेंगे आपके लिए. आई वांट टू नो, आर यू अ फूडी उर्फी?
मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ कि मैंने ये मैं कैसे अपने आप को कंट्रोल करती हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव टू लुक दिस वे.
Yeah.
आई लव फूड. आई एम फ्रॉम लखनऊ, सो
Right.
द कबाब पराठा, इदरीस की बिरयानी, आई कांट. आई
मैं गई हूँ इदरिस की बिरयानी वाली जगह. एक बहुत ही छोटी सी जगह, एटलीस्ट जब मैं गई थी.
स्टिल
आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि इतना सुना है मैंने. एक छोटी सी दुकान है, पतीले पड़े हैं वहां पर, जहाँ से वो बिरयानी निकाल कर
हाँ.
आपको देते रहेंगे. एंड मैं जब तक गई थी खत्म हो गया था.
बिकॉज उनका मानना है कि उनको उनकी शॉप वैसे ही चली थी, अगर वो कुछ चेंज कर देंगे तो शायद शॉप चलेगी नहीं, तो दे नेवर वांट टू चेंज एनीथिंग. और आप बैठ नहीं सकते हो ज्यादा,
नहीं, हाँ.
आपको पैक करा के ही जाना पड़ेगा. टुंडे कबाब एंड शीरमाल, I just miss it so much. There's also this place Mubin in Chowk,
ओके.
the Pasanda kebab. It
अच्छा.
is so good. It's like it just melts in your mouth.
I have been wanting to do this with you. Explore Lucknow with you.
Let's just go. मैं तो
Let's
बोल रही हूँ,
just go.
whenever you're free, just tell me. I will make all the arrangements. Let's just go. I cannot. If you ever go to Lucknow, just tell me.
Done.
I will make you explore food which you've never ever tasted. मतलब खस्ता कचौड़ी दुर्गा की, एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू ट्राइड दिस बन मक्खन, वाइट कलर का मक्खन होता है उस पे,
नहीं.
तो
मैं
शर्मा
एक-
जी का.
अच्छा.
और उनकी जो चाय है, पहले बोलते थे कि ये अफीम मिलाते हैं अपनी चाय में बिकॉज इट्स सो एडिक्टिव. 2-3 जगह पे नल्ली बिरयानी मिलती है.
Oh.
या दे ऐड आई डोंट नो इफ
I've had नल्ली निहारी. मैंने नल्ली बिरयानी नहीं खाई है कभी.
यू so they add bone marrow to the biryani.
अच्छा.
And when you just have that bite with the meat and the
Rice
and the bone marrow, it is oh my god. I can't even tell you. I am such a big foodie. My whole family is.
और मुंबई में जब भी आप आए हैं, ओहो, मुंबई का नाम लेते ही फूड इज अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, इज इट?
Where do you get best biryani? Tell me. One place. You, Kamya, you tell me. Okay. Let's change this. Now I'll interview. What is the best place for biryani in Mumbai?
I don't know if that place is still operational, but I used to love Zaika in Bandra. और जाफरान में भी मुझे बिरयानी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. यहाँ का आपको वड़ा पाव तो बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah.
बाय योर ओन एडमिशन इन द शो दैट यू से मुझे वड़ा पाव बहुत अच्छा
When I
लगता है.
came to Bombay, I had no idea. मतलब मैंने ट्रेस भी किया था. हमारे यहाँ पाव खाने की आदत नहीं होती है लोगों को.
और हमारे यहाँ पाव तो मतलब हर चीज के साथ खाते हैं.
पाव मीन्स हम लोग बोलते थे लखनऊ में कि ये मुंबई वाले कितने लेजी हैं, इनको रोटी चावल बनाने नहीं है तो ये पाव खिला देते हैं हर चीज के साथ. आई ऑल्सो फील व्हेन आई टेस्टेड इट, आई वाज लाइक व्हाट इज दिस, बट
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो, slowly and slowly it just grew on me.
Yeah.
Dabeli, vada pav, misal pav. I love misal pav. It's just मुझे मेरे मुंह में पानी आ जाता है.
तो
मराठी
पहली
food.
बार खाकर तो अजीब सा लगा होगा ना,
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
क्या चीज है
I didn't like it.
फरसान के साथ पाव.
I think जब मैं आई थी स्टार्टिंग के 5 साल मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा. फॉर सम रीजन 2-3 साल से मुझे कुछ हो गया है वड़ा पाव को लेकर. आई मीन दिस इज मे बी वो वड़ा पाव वाली की रील्स देख देख के आई डोंट नो व्हाट मैजिक ही डिड. आई लव वड़ा पाव नाउ. आई लव इट.
Okay, for how long have you been in Mumbai now, Urfi?
8-9 years आराम से.
8-9 years.
Yeah,
अब
yeah.
लगता है आप मुंबई वाले हो गए हो पूरी
मुझे तो
तरह.
आते ही लग गया था. The day I landed, I knew this is my
This
home.
is your home.
Yeah, I love Bombay. Not the food,
Yeah.
but I like Bombay. For some reason, it's just the vibes are amazing and the people here are way better. Initially, जब मैं आई थी तो everyone was like, तू क्या कर रही है? तू and I'm like, ये क्यों कितने बदतमीज लोग हैं? Because लखनऊ में you're like, आप कैसे क्या कर रहे हैं? आप
बहुत तहजीब.
you know जब सब्जी लेने जाओ तो मौसी होती है तो क्या चाहिए? ए बोलना है क्या मुर्गी ताला कुछ पता नहीं sometimes I'm like they're so बदतमीज but then I realize it's just how they speak
Yeah.
and they're the most amazing people ever.
और जब भी आप आए हो, what part of Mumbai have you lived in?
I was living in Versova village for a very long time for 2-3 years because the rent was very less. So the
Okay.
area was वो मच्छी
हाँ.
पूरा बाजार है वहाँ पे मच्छी पकड़ते हैं वो लोग and it's genuinely like a मुंबई की सबसे विलेज ही है वो
Right.
बिल्कुल इतनी पतली पतली गलियां हैं. So I was staying in one room with 5-6 girls. So हम लोग का शेयर ही कुछ पड़ता था 3-4 हज़ार रुपए. तो उस हिसाब से
कितना टाइम रहे वहाँ पर?
1-2 साल.
झगड़े नहीं हुए इतनी सारी 5-6 अलग अलग
बहुत बहुत कोई किसी दिन रोता था कोई किसी दिन. It was a mess.
एक और हो जाए 120 ml.
Okay, I don't mind actually. Once
Okay,
I start,
we'll
I
get
can't.
it done. Here, one more drink for her.
Sachin, can you make me anything interesting? Something sweet and sour.
Lettuce.
Lettuce. Oh, I have never heard this. A lettuce drink.
Let's see.
I'm excited now. Okay, now you 90 ml तक कर सकते हैं. Make it like strong. Kamina
Okay.
did a good job, यार.
I'm so proud of myself.
was
My
so
first time at actually making a drink.
First time?
First time, yes.
अब तो समर घर जाके बोलेगा मुझे.
He
I'll
doesn't
message-
drink at all.
Not even like I have
Yeah.
seen his pictures.
Yeah.
He was partying. He's
Yeah,
uploading.
yeah,
He's
yeah.
dancing. Then what was that?
Without drinking. He's still the life of the party without drink. He's never had any drinks ever.
Are you so for context? I was just telling the audience that I know Kamya's husband. I am shocked.
And you know what? One thing Samar told me. He said कि मैं कभी भी किसी celebrity से मिलता हूँ, usually he pays the bill, but you are one
Okay.
celebrity who would insist on paying the bill and will make sure that you pay the bill. And then he said that's so unlikely. And then when I watched your show, I again saw you went on a date, but you paid the bill. So ये क्या है? Why is it that you want to pay the bill? Tell me.
For a very long time when I was here,
Yeah.
I couldn't do it. I didn't even have the money. Even when I used to go out with friends,
Yeah.
I didn't even have the money to pay my share. So that really somewhere, मुझे बहुत चुभती थी वो बात. So now I just feel like it doesn't matter. मेरे साथ 50 लोग हैं, उस टेबल पे 100 लोग हैं. बिल 10 लाख भी क्यों ना है, I will pay the bill. And also, if I am earning more, it's not about equality, it's about equity. If my husband is earning less than me and I earn more than me, I
Yeah.
should contribute more. Not that I have a husband, just in, but it's a general thing in today's world. I feel that.
चलो ड्रिंक भी आ गई, चखना भी आ गया in the
Oh.
form of dim sums.
This is actually good. You can taste the lettuce. Like I am
Yeah.
so shocked. First time I'm having a lettuce drink.
It's healthy. It's healthy,
Of
basically.
course, there's no alcohol in it. Of course, it's healthy.
And you know, I of course watched your show, loved it.
Oh,
और
yeah,
मैंने
you've
सोचा
seen it.
मैं 1 या 2 एपिसोड देखूंगी. It went on till 2:30 AM and फिर मैंने सोचा मुझे कल जल्दी उठना है. मैं एक लास्ट एपिसोड छोड़ देती हूँ. I have something to look forward to and I haven't seen the last episode. So tell me ये idea आया कैसे?
It was not my idea. I mean, they
Thank you.
approached me with it, and I was like shocked. In my head, I always wanted a reality show.
अच्छा.
Is this really happening? I took like maybe 1 minute and I said yes. Not even 1 minute. I just said yes on the phone only. But then they were like, नहीं मिल तो लो पहले यार.
हाँ.
I met them. I'm like, let's do it. Let's go for it.
But you know, it's actually literally unfiltered version of you, right? सब कुछ आपने बताया है, you know, from getting Botox done, fillers, like all your skin का fillers, but अपने मन का जो है no filter at all. You've also been off makeup, तो कुछ भी नहीं लगा. Some apprehensions यार ये नहीं करती हूँ या ये नहीं करती हूँ. There was nothing like that.
No. I just felt it has to be as real as possible. मतलब अगर जब मैं घर पे हूँ नॉर्मल बैठी हुई हूँ तो मैं मेकअप नहीं लगाऊंगी. That's not me. When I signed the papers, I told everyone that you guys don't have to worry about me. I will never do something which is not Urfi. In fact, in the first episode, you can see me howling and shouting.
Yes.
They had to edit a lot, by the way. It was way more. Even if I really wanted to fake it, I would have faked being nice that why did you do this, Ruslan?
What was the process of filming this? तो रोज सुबह को कैमरास आ जाते थे
Yeah.
आपके पास या कैसे होता था? How was it?
There was a timing. 7 o'clock, the camera would come.
In the morning.
Yeah.
Okay,
If
हाँ.
I've woken up, I'm not woken up, no one cares. They would come. and then they would be there as long as I'm awake. When I went to sleep, then only they left.
और ये कितने दिनों तक चलती रही फिल्में?
2 months से थोड़ा ज्यादा.
So they got like enough material और फिर उसमें से I think 9 episode से ज्यादा बन सकते थे.
My team was telling me we could have made maybe 20 episodes and all of them were binge worthy. But then of course 9 was also like too much for a general audience.
Yeah.
I think general it's 8. But for this show they had to do 9 because the content was so much, and imagine only in 2 months.
Yeah.
I can't even tell you the shit I go through day to day life basis. भैया कल ही मैं एक इंटरव्यू पे थी.
हाँ.
वहाँ जर्नलिस्ट से लड़ाई हो गई मेरी. इतनी नल्ली बात थी ना. अब क्या बता. She got mad that एक तो she was trying to, no, my team is not there ना.
बोलो We want season 2 और follow कर लो यार तो.
इतनी मैं बता दी. Non-alcoholic drinks, I tell you. She was trying to ask very demeaning questions. You know, like demeaning as in you'll be like, why are you saying that to me? So I instead of saying anything to her, I was just answering थोड़ा short कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, आप गलत समझ रहे हो. She got mad. She went out. She started shouting कि मैंने इसलिए 9 episodes देखे, मुझे fun और answers मिल रहे थे, blah blah blah, and she complained it to my team as if my team will scold me and I'll get scared. Oh, sorry.
You know, in your very first episode, you didn't want to be in the same queue जहाँ सारे influencers खड़े होंगे, ठीक है? अब मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी. You didn't want to collaborate with an international celebrity. Where do you see yourself, like, in this whole entertainment industry?
I mean, wherever I see myself, I still feel if I don't want to stand in a queue.
Right.
और मुझे कोई भी international artist आए, अब वो international artist, people have been asking me who was that, so I'll just give it to your audience. The name matches with a candy. Now if you can guess it. See, I am not revealing anything.
Okay, comments में बता देंगे. I can't
comments में
answer
बता
name.
दो.
Comments में बता दो. Guess कर
अब
लो.
मैं नहीं मानती उसको कुछ. मतलब होगा वो अपने बाहर. But मेरा इतना, and I do not feel that getting clicked with other celebrities will get me fame.
Okay.
Or
Fair
get
enough.
me work.
Fair.
It's not my work. It is not something which I would. Why would I want to bank on someone else's fame? I think the only thing that can get me success and fame is my own work. I truly believe that. And I do not want to stand in line and get clicked with any celebrity, even Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
Though I'm such a die-hard Shah Rukh Khan fan, I would never do that. I want to meet him at a place where he can talk to me as an equal. अगर मैं शाहरुख खान के लिए बोल रही हूँ तो ये इंटरनेशनल कुछ नहीं है मेरे लिए. No Hollywood celebrity for me is bigger than Shah Rukh Khan. Mostly 99% of the time my gut is right. Whenever I tell my team, I don't feel this is good, and they don't listen to me, and वही होता है जो मैं बोलती हूँ, and then I'm like, बोला था ना, and they're like, okay, we're sorry. पर वो sorry तक बात ही क्यों पहुँच रही है? So I think somewhere my team, it's not their fault, but they treat me like a kid. So they you know that नहीं करे नहीं करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें ये वो. So that ways.
Your sisters are really cute, huh?
They're cute and all of them have very strong individual personality and all of them are different. None of the personalities match.
Similar, yeah.
Except me and Dolly, the younger one. We are just a bit ambitious, but she's way more mature than I am. Though she's just 18, but she's very mature. Every time we meet, it's a clash. If we speak for more than 5 minutes, we will attack each other. We will hit each other.
बात करते हैं brands की उर्फी. You've worked with so many brands, right? And a lot of brands come to you asking you to make an outfit or two.
Outfit, yaar, I'm so tired.
सबसे weird outfit कौन सी बनाई है आज तक?
I think once a condom brand. मैंने बनाई नहीं, but that was really weird. So a condom brand approaching me for an outfit, and I was just like, and they wanted me to go out and get spotted in that condom outfit. I just felt I was not comfortable with that, but there's nothing wrong. Maybe someday I change my mind. I really don't mind at all, but brands do come up with to me with bizarre requests. Once a brand came to me to make an outfit with ice. कब से ये शुरुआत हुई that you started having these wacky ideas when it comes to
how you dress.
Honestly, this was not like I was very wacky always. But I think in Big Boss, the dustbin outfit I wore, I made an outfit from dustbin bags. And
Yeah.
it really worked. So I just thought that, okay, I think I can work on it. That's when I was like, कि भैया यही करते हैं.
Losing followers, does that bother you? Paps not showing up.
1 year back, I used to go mad. Losing followers and followers बढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. मतलब my account getting banned was the biggest nightmare. My account got suspended. And then for some reason my team was panicking. And I was like, fuck it. You know what, guys, chill. It's a good break. मुझे 2 दिन का break दे दो. We'll talk to Meta. We'll figure it out.
हाँ.
I don't know. I think I realized कि जिस चीज से मैं इतना डर रही थी, that also didn't break me. Every 5 seconds I would check कि followers कितने बढ़े, followers कितने बढ़े. Followers बढ़ ही नहीं रहे थे, सिर्फ घट रहे थे.
कि follows unfollows, पता नहीं
हाँ.
algorithm का क्या हो रहा है.
अभी जैसे show release हुआ है,
हाँ.
you won't believe in 3 days,
Yeah.
1.5 lakh people followed me, but 1.35 people unfollowed me. That is so yeah. I don't know मैं इसकी खुशी मनाऊँ कि इसका दुख मनाऊँ.
But your show was trending on number 1 on the day of launch. और जैसे ही आपने story डाली,
मेरे को इतनी गुस्सा आई थी ना. We reached number 2. जैसे मैंने स्टोरी डाली, मैंने वो पिक्चर डाली, मस्त, hey guys, number 1. And then उसके 1 घंटे बाद भैया नंबर 2 हो गए. मेरी सांसें ऐसे हो गई, ये नहीं हो सकता. मैंने अपना रूम का दरवाजा बंद किया. मैंने मम्मी और बहन को बोला अभी मुझसे बात करने मत आओ. माई फ्रेंड ही सेंट अ केक टू सेलिब्रेट. मैं किस चीज का सेलिब्रेशन? आई वेंट मैड. बट फिर नेक्स्ट डे
हाँ,
हो गया नंबर 1.
हो गया ना. अभी भी number 1 है फिलहाल.
हाँ, फिलहाल के
फिलहाल के
लिए
लिए
है.
है. अच्छा, but उर्फी, you know, right? Everything at some point will come to an end.
Some things come to end, but new things start. It's not a bad thing. Fame comes to an end. I'm sure I'll have something else bigger and better than this. Whatever, I'm in Hollywood when this Bollywood fame ends. So you never know.
Do you question yourself कि मैं अब क्या करूँ, मैं अब क्या करूँ? Does it really drive you crazy?
Questioning yourself doesn't come from fear. It comes from a place where I need to be better than what I was yesterday. When you started Curly Tales, did you think कि better करना है क्योंकि खत्म हो जाएगा सब? No.
हाँ.
You were operating from a place better करना है क्योंकि अब मैं ये कर चुकी हूँ. अब मुझे खुद से ही कुछ better करना है.
Right.
So when you operate from a place where you just want to be a better version of yourself, it works better.
I'm going to give you some choices. आप बताओ, would you rather? ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले, would you rather be rich or be famous?
I would choose fame always. Money follows fame if you're intelligent enough.
Face negative comments or no attention at all?
No attention at all.
You know, they say no publicity is bad publicity.
No publicity is bad publicity, but then it affects your mental health at some point.
Okay, would you rather be admired and feel isolated or be surrounded by friends but feel unfulfilled professionally?
Surrounded by friends and feel unfulfilled. Love it. Love the fake life. Fakeness for life.
Receive constant validation but struggle with self-doubt or have inner confidence but lack external approval?
I don't care about external approval at all. I think अपना अंदर का सही है.
अच्छा, be praised for your looks or be recognized for your talents?
Talent मुझ में है नहीं, so looks is just fine for me.
Come on, you are talented. I mean, look at your outfits. You are only 25, Urfi. I don't know why.
I'm not 25.
Okay, चलो ठीक है, but I'm sure you are still young.
27, yeah.
ठीक है, you are still young. And you said in your show कि मुझे एक भी लाइन नहीं चाहिए अपने फेस पर, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए.
I don't know, for some reason, I don't want to age. I have a problem with aging. Not just me, a lot of women out there. We all want to look young, and if Botox is helping me more than those store-bought creams, I will get it done.
And it doesn't pain.
No.
You said don't worry about my discomfort, बस लगा दो इंजेक्शन, जहाँ लगाना है लगा दो.
मतलब इतना नहीं करता है. A person like me who's used to it,
Yeah.
not me. But if you're not used to needles, it will pain.
But you know, I'm sure a lot of our Bollywood actresses also get it done. But आज तक किसी ने openly कभी
Not
नहीं
just
बोला है.
actresses, actors also,
also,
male
of course.
actors. You know, one thing about me that I'm blessed with, I can spot a filler face and Botox face from far away and tell you कि इसने filler और Botox किया. Not just filler or Botox, any work you get done, I can tell you. कि
मैंने
इसने
करा
यहाँ-
है.
No.
You're
Not
right.
yet. Because the first thing you would get done is, I mean, your skin generally is nice, but then what happens with people is they go overboard, and your face is just very natural. I feel that I don't think so.
तो
you
मुझे
have to-
जरूरत है, बता दो.
It's not about.
I've got some lines on my forehead now, I feel.
That's how I could tell
that I haven't done it.
because the first thing a person tries to fix
Yeah.
is his lines on the forehead and here.
Yeah.
That is, and that makes you look very old. You know, overdone Botox and filler face, yet you can feel it कि इसका सही नहीं हुआ है. A lot of actresses who are like 40, 50, you can feel their puffed up faces.
Yeah.
Overdone fillers and Botox. So you also need to know where to stop.
Would you rather experience high highs and low lows in your career, or have a consistent, steady career with fewer dramatic peaks?
No. You know, high highs and low lows are like drugs.
Yeah.
You enjoy that. If you don't drop low, the high won't feel that high.
तो आप अपने शो में तो बोल रहे हो फॉलो कर लो यार, पर मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी आप इन लोगों को फॉलो करोगे या अनफॉलो करोगे? Okay, somebody who's constantly posting gym selfies.
I hate it when guys इतने निक्कर पहन के उनकी बाहर निकल आती है. I'm sorry, but छी यार नहीं होते बहुत गंद. Ew man, I mean not that I hate dick, but that is just very.
Okay.
Your cameraman is like reacting. Like क्या बोल गई है?
ये ऐसे पोस्ट करता है अपनी जिम वाली, नहीं वैसे ही नहीं जैसे आपने बोला, बट जिम.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. Oh my god.
Okay, a friend who shares every single meal they eat.
Unfollow. I want to unfollow my sisters. जब भी खाना आता है बहन पिक्चर लेना like खाने दो यार. No, I don't do that. Unfollow.
Okay, someone who's always posting motivational quotes but never takes their own advice.
That's me. So maybe follow. It's okay.
An account that posts memes but never anything personal.
Yeah, I love memes.
Yeah.
I'm a meme fan.
An ex who suddenly turned into a famous influencer.
Famous हो गया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
हाँ.
Not that any of my exes are famous, but no.
Who's your favorite influencer, if you have?
Achha,
any?
right now, if I could say Komal Pandey.
Yeah.
She does good stuff and
She's
she
amazing.
doesn't promote anything.
Yeah.
She promotes only what she believes in, so that's really nice.
And she puts in a lot of effort
Lot.
in every reel. It's amazing how she does
Her
this.
hard
yeah.
work is really. I told her that.
Someone who overshares their relationship drama on social media.
Actually follow. I need to know the gossip. Why would I lie? I love it. You know, अभी couples जो होते हैं influencer type के पूरा अपना डाल रहे हैं कि शादी हो गई ये हो गया. Suddenly you see everything deleted. मैं अरे इनका हुआ क्या बताओ तो क्या हो गया आपकी शादीशुदा जिंदगी में डिवोर्स हो भी रहा है तो क्यों हो रहा है? I mean I just नहीं यार मतलब
क्यों नहीं पता चलता है? डिवोर्स पता चल जाता है.
बहुत से ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं जिनका शादी हुई 2 महीने में डिवोर्स हुआ एंड आई एम लाइक अच्छा ठीक है हुआ ठीक है रीजन तो दो यार.
They don't give the reason, but
कि
they
बस we have
announce.
mutually decided to part ways. Oh fuck, okay, we knew one of you was cheating on whatever.
आपकी लव लाइफ का क्या हो रहा है बताओ?
तुम बताओ तुम कुछ कर सकती हो मेरी लव लाइफ
ढूंढती
का?
हूँ मैं कोई. किस तरह का लड़का चाहिए आपको?
मुझे ऐसे कोई इतना वो लिस्ट नहीं है. I just want someone who is easy going, chill, बैठ के बातें कर पाए. I mean, I don't mind a rapper or a comedian. I've met so many comedians. Their on-screen persona is very different.
Different, yeah.
Even I was shocked, like they're not as funny as you think they would be off camera.
Hypothetically, if you find the guy of your dreams, but he says that you have to shut your social media off, forget the pap world, and घर पर बैठो आराम से जो करना है करो, पर ये सब छोड़ दो.
I don't know if a person, if your partner is not ready to support your dreams and your ambitions, then I don't think so he's the right person for you. You can never be happy.
So what are your dreams and what are your ambitions? Having a show of your own, I feel that's such a big achievement. I couldn't be more happy for you, पर मैं जानना चाहूँगी और क्या चाहते हो आप लाइफ में?
This was definitely one of my dreams and I feel very accomplished now.
Yeah.
But I want to be an entrepreneur and I want to be a
Yeah.
billionaire and I want to be someone. I don't know how to really describe it, but I want to be someone.
तो आप अभी भी जाते हो थेरेपीज के लिए? Do you
Sometimes. It's not easy for someone like me to open up. And then I question therapy also. Is it really working? What is it? मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आता है. But I've realized that बस मन हल्का हो जाता है. You know, most of the times we don't want solutions to our problems. We just want someone to listen, and it makes other things easier
Yeah.
when you feel that कोई सुन रहा है.
एंड इज इट समथिंग रीसेंट या आप काफी टाइम से थेरेपी के लिए जाया करते थे, लाइक ऑन एंड ऑफ?
First therapy session, you guys saw it. So what happens is sometimes आप अपने पेरेंट्स से भी बातें नहीं कर पाते हो, आप अपने क्लोज वन से बातें नहीं कर पाते हो, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं जो आपको लगता है शायद वो लोग नहीं समझ पाएंगे. So you just go to a therapist. एक stranger से बातें करना easy होता है. I think everyone should go for therapy, just मन हल्का करने के लिए.
डू यू फील लोनली?
No, I don't feel lonely. I am alone, but I don't feel lonely.
एंड हाउ गुड आर यू विद टेकिंग डिसीजंस?
I'm very good. Sometimes what I am very clear. It might be a wrong decision, but I take it. And I'll be like, देखा जाएगा. अगर मेरा decision गलत भी है, it just teaches me something, so I'm happy.
You know, in this movie Tal, Anil Kapoor said, image is, वो straw नहीं है.
Guys, I'm not drunk, okay?
You know, in the movie Tal, Anil Kapoor said, image is everything, everything is image, okay? At one point, you also said कि मुझे काम चाहिए, मुझे पैसे चाहिए, मुझे brands चाहिए. Do you think ever, because of your image, of being so bindas, so outspoken, can affect your image and that can eventually affect the business that you get?
Yeah. A lot of brands don't want to work with me. A lot of designers don't want to work with me because of the way I am. But that is okay. Now the question is, do I want to work with people who don't align with my thoughts? That is also the question now. I feel it's okay to lose out on work because it doesn't align with you. अभी थोड़ा बहुत पैसा आ गया है मेरे पास कि मैं भूखी नहीं मरूंगी, तो I feel sometimes it's okay to let go of work which doesn't align with your thought.
Yeah.
I'm sure you have done that.
Yeah.
You must have let go of a lot of brands that you feel कि नहीं यार, I feel scared कि पैसा नहीं होगा तो क्या करेंगे, डर लगता है, but then I'm very careless with money.
No, you are
That
not.
doesn't, yeah, I'm not.
Investments, ये वो कुछ.
No. कुछ भी नहीं है. अभी के लिए मुझे अपनी जिंदगी जीनी है. We'll see. Because it's just right now that I started getting money and I'm not young, you know, I'm not 20, 21 and I want to enjoy maybe थोड़ा बहुत. I want to enjoy my money as well.
Yeah.
सेविंग इज ओके, बट जब मैं मर जाऊंगी, जब मैं अपनी कब्र में होंगी, वो पैसा अगर मेरे पर बिछा भी दिया जाए उसका कोई काम नहीं है. आई कैन डाई पुअर, बट आई डोंट वांट टू लिव लाइक अ पुअर पर्सन.
And we wish आप हमेशा रहीजों की तरह जिए and be this bindas person that you are. Thank you, Urfi, for entertaining us on
Did
the
I-
show
did I do
and
too
today. No. We loved it. So, Urfi, you have to teach me how to pose for the paps.
If you're wearing my kind of outfit, then I would have told you, but ठीक है. It's just usually अरे क्या कर रहा है, तुम्हारे पोजर है, अरे तू, तेरी वाइफ ने तुझे छोड़ दिया, क्या हो रहा है यार, ये तू कल नहीं आया था यार, क्या है यार, भाई आजकल तो बड़ा स्टार बन गया है, तुम्हारे पोजेस आर लाइक दिस एंड दैट, and ये इसको देखो, हाँ अभी जा रही हूँ मैं, बहुत हो गया. It's not a pose, it's just a conversation. हाँ ठीक है, ले लो. I'm constantly talking, you can never see me posing.
But it's basically आजकल जो पैप्स वीडियोस में ही हो रहे हैं, फोटोज में नहीं ज्यादा.
हाँ यार,
तो फिर
videos,
फोटो कैसे आ रही है आपकी?
वो बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा वो निकाल लेते हैं कुछ, but mostly it's just, अच्छा left, you start from left.
Left, okay.
And then like, okay, 1 second, not more than that.
Okay.
1, वो चाहे वो जितना बुरा है, एगड़े नहीं एगड़े,
एकड़े.
इधर ही you एकड़े इधर,
Okay.
like this, and then like अभी मला जाऊ दे, and then you leave, that's it.
Okay, I got it. सीख गए हम किस तरह से पैप्स के लिए पोस्ट करना है. एकड़े आणि जाऊ दे.
जाऊ दे.
जाऊ दे.
That's what I've learned.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.